Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine, fit, and healthy. Welcome to our computer session. In previous class, we have done first chapter, that is computer fundamentals. In that, we have learned computer, that it is an electronic device that works according to the given instruction of human beings. Okay, and it can do various type of work, due to which its usage has grown a lot. We need computer in our life, that it is the basic need of human being. Okay, and it is invented by human. Okay, and it works different types of fields. In few hours it can do multitasking work. Its uses that we have learned in our previous session, that is uses of computer are uses at home, to watch pictures, to drawing pictures, typing letters, and making assignment, and paying bills, booking tickets. Okay, and at shop and malls, the list of item and bills are prepared on computers. And at school, we used to do the computer essential, because it is used to for typing circular, test papers, timetables, maintaining records of students and teachers, and etc. And in office and banks, computer are used for sending and receiving mails and maintaining accounts. And railway station and airports, it helps us to keeping track and arrival and departure of details and number of seats available in train and airport. And hospital, it maintain records of patient. Okay, and in scientific research, it is helping to launching satellites, it helps, and weather forecasting. So these are the basic uses of computer in. So students, we will learn about now, that is characteristic of computer. Okay, the computer has certain characteristics which are different from other electronic machine. There are many electronic machine like washing machine, television, microwave. These are all electric machine which run with electricity. But how it is different from other electronic devices or electronic machines? How? Speed, store, automation, entertainment, communication, and presentation, and animation, and calculations. Okay, so it can work very high speed, right? And it can store a large amount of data. And third one is automation, means it can help in automation of the step that have to be performed again and again. Okay, multitasking. Then entertainment, it is a good source of entertainment which help in watching. We can watch movies, listen to music, and play games. And it have good communication, that can help to stay in touch with family and friend. Okay, and sixth one is presentations and animations. It can create interesting presentation and animations, right? Then teachers use to teach student in an interesting and fun manner. Okay, we used to do ppts, presentations, activities, all are done in computer. And last one is calculation. It can do complex calculation very easily, multi calculation in one time within a second. Okay, and it never get tired, and it never give us wrong answer or result. Okay, so this is what about characteristic of computer. So you can see over here. Okay, the what I have explained in that. Okay, speed, storage, automation, entertainment, communication, presentation, and calculations. Okay, so this is what about we have learned in characteristic of computer can do multitask work in at a time. Okay, and it is very helpful for us. Next we can see, that is working of computer, how computer are work. Okay, means they are not doing the household work, that is work, what we human do, what the characteristic of working of computers, क्या है वो, कैसे वर्क करता है. A computer is a device that takes instruction, that is instruction mean we give the input instructions and work on them, that is the process which we give input, and what is the process is going on, it gives the answer, that is called output. And what in short form it is, so what is called input process output cycle. Okay, input which we instruction we used to give it, again work on that, that is called process, and gives the output to it. Okay, then input, what is input? The input devices like keyboard and mouse are used to give instruction to the computer. How can we put the instruction? With the help of keyboard. Okay, we type new numbers, we type letters. Okay, and with the help of mouse to click on the computer. Okay, it is the input we give with the help of mouse and keyboard to the computer. And what are process? The processing of instructions is done by CPU. What is CPU? Central Processing Unit. Okay, the big one which the computer, when we on the computer we used to click first CPU, right? The CPU is called the brain of the computer. It is responsible for performing most of the calculations and execution of commands. Okay, the CPU is the brain, like human brain we have, and the computer have the brain of in CPU. Okay, when we put input, the process is going on in CPU. Okay, and it is responsible for performing most of the calculating and commands. Okay, the next is output. The result our processing of instruction is transferred to the output device like monitor and printer for display. Okay, how we get the output? We get the output in the screen monitor. When we put the input, it gets processed and the answer display in monitor, as well as we can take a print, that is called output. And what are memory? A computer also makes use of different type of memory to store data and instruction during the process of instructions. Okay, the computer also make different type of memory store. It can store it can store more and more data. Okay, and instruction during the process of instruction we give, right? And you can see the input devices give data and instruction to it, and it process in the CPU, which is the brain of computer, and output device that display process data. Output we can see in monitor, and we can see the print for display. And CPU also vice versa in storage data and instruction. Okay, the next you can see a picture that you can make a clear that the IPO means input process output cycle can also be represented using input and output device. As shown in the diagram, you can see input we can use the computer PC screen, mouse and keyboard, that is input devices, right? And it is processed in CPU, right? The computer brain, and its output come in the display of in the screen of computer or in the way of printer, right? So students, I hope you have learned that characteristics of computer as well as working of computer. Okay, in next class we will continue this chapter again. Watch this video carefully. Thank you everyone.